everything all right?
Couldn't be righter, Mum. Grandpa and I are going to dig up our potatoes today.
Oh, yes, of course. The ones you planted in the spring.
Yep, and they're all ready for digging up. And then we can have mashed and chips and baked potatoes and everything. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes! Oh, what's for breakfast?
Potatoes? I'm only joking, Bizou.
Oh!
Come on.
Good morning, everybody.
Hi, Grandpa.
Funny thing, I could have sworn I heard someone shouting something about potatoes earlier on.
That was me. We're digging up potatoes today, Grandpa.
Oh, of course we are. I'd almost forgotten. So, why don't we get started right away?
That'll be Aunt Zelda and Uncle Xavier.
Aunt Zelda? That usually means Zinnia, too.
Come in. Hello, my dear.
Hello.
Oh, that's a pretty dress, Zinnia.
Yes, Daddy bought it for me when I passed my ballet exam. I had to do lots of pliés, like this. And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2.
Well done, my darling.
ZOU, your aunt and uncle have asked if we'll look after Zinnia for the day while they go to the tennis finals. They've been invited to sit in the royal box.
So why aren't they taking Zinnia with them?
I don't think foals are allowed.
ZOU!
Come on, Pock. Hello, Aunt Zelda. Hi, Uncle Xavier. Hi, Zinnia. Hello, ZOU. Do you like my dress? Yes, very nice. Daddy bought it for me for passing my ballet exam.
And then we put her down for tap dancing lessons. She's taken to it like a duck to water, haven't you, Princess?
Yes, Daddy. Do you want to see how it's done, ZOU? Huh? And tap together, tap will change. Tap together, tap will change. Tap together, tap will change.
She's already the best dancer in the class, you know. Now, dear, time we were off. We can't keep the Archduke waiting, can we?
See you later, my darling.
Tap will change. Tap, tap, tap will change. Ta-da! What do you want to play, Zinnia?
Ready, ZOU?
Oh, yes. Me and Grandpa are going to dig up potatoes. Want to help? In the garden? I don't think so. It's full of mud, and I don't like mud, and there might be worms, and I hate worms.
Well, we'll just have to make sure you don't meet any, won't we? Come on.
Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes! But... Oh. Wow, look at all these, Grandpa.
Now, that's a fine lot of spuds. Let's see what I can come up with. Oh, that's not much of a potato, is it? There's not enough there to feed even Pock.
I don't think Pock likes potatoes. How can I tap dance on this? It doesn't make any noise at all.
Well, perhaps you'd like a go at potatoing.
No, thank you, Grandpa. I'll just do some ballet instead. Get it away! Horrid thing there! Zinnia?
What's the matter?
A worry, Zinnia. I'll get it. I'm not afraid of worms. Oh!
ZOU? What's so funny?
It's not a worm. It's a caterpillar. Imagine being frightened of a caterpillar.
Poor Zinnia.
Poor Zinnia? But it's just a caterpillar. No one's scared of a caterpillar, except Zinnia.
Well, people can be scared of the strangest things.
Huh?
Do you remember when we went hot air ballooning?
Yes, that was brilliant. But,
You didn't think it was quite so brilliant before we went up in it.
oh no, I didn't.
As I remember, you were really scared.
Yes, I suppose I was. Scared of going all the way up in the air, but you and Elzee helped me, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
I could help Zinnia.
Good idea.
Zinnia? Well, take it away, ZOU. It isn't a worm, Zinnia. Look, it's a caterpillar. It won't hurt you. Come on, just take a look. It's all furry, and it's got a really cute face. Not too close. Don't worry. It is quite cute. Do you want to hold it? No, I mean, yes. Hello. You are cute, aren't you? I shall call you Labella. Lobella? I think I might take you home with me. We can have tea together.
ZOU? Zinnia?
Come along, Labella. What is it, Grandpa?
I think you two might be quite interested in this. Look,
What's that?
it's called a cocoon. It used to be a caterpillar.
Really? It doesn't look anything like a caterpillar.
Not anymore. You see, when a caterpillar is fully grown, it spins a long silk thread around itself until it's completely covered. That's called a cocoon.
Hear that, Labella? You can spin silk.
And it fastens itself to a plant with more silk. Then, something quite marvelous happens.
What?
The caterpillar, which is inside the cocoon, changes shape.
What's it doing?
Watch.
What? That's a butterfly! Wow! See that, Labella? You're going to be a butterfly one day. A beautiful butterfly.
Well, that's a good day's work, ZOU. We've got enough potatoes to feed an army now.
Zinnia, darling, time to go home.
Coming, Mummy. Come along, Labella. Uh-oh.
Get it away from me!
Zinnia, put that nasty thing down.
It's not an it, she's a she. And she's not nasty. Labella is quite the most beautiful creature ever. And she's going to be even more beautiful. She's going to be a butterfly. So there. No! Imagine being scared of a caterpillar. Imagine.
You won't catch me. I'm much too quick for you. Oh, wow. You tricked me there, Pork. I love playing tag with you. It's so much fun. Did you hear that, Pork? What do you think it is? think it's coming from over there. Come on, let's have a look. Look, it's a baby bird. Poor thing. I think it's hurt. I wonder where its parents are. Come on, Puck. Let's take it to Grandma and Grandpa. I'm sure they will know what to do. Grandpa, Grandma, look what we found.
Oh, poor baby bird. It must have fallen out of his nest.
Look, Grandma, it's shaking. It must be cold. We should warm it up.
Well, the best way is to place it in a small cardboard box.
A cardboard box. Oh, I know where we can find one. Do you want to come with me, ZOU?
What about the baby bird?
Don't worry. I'll take care of it until you get back.
Let's see. Where are those boxes? This. What do you think, ZOU?
It's perfect, Grandpa. Grandma, look at the box we found.
Oh, it's perfect.
That's what I said.
Look, while you were gone, I found some cotton wool, which we can use to build up a cosy nest. There. I think your baby bird will be nice and warm now.
Pork, this is not for you. It's for the baby bird. Come on, you're going to love your new nest.
Careful, ZOU.
Don't worry, Grandma. I'll be very gentle. There. Now you're going to be really warm and comfy. No, Pork. I'll play tag with you later. I have to take care of the baby bird.
I think our little guest might be hungry.
What do baby birds eat?
I read somewhere that the best emergency food for a baby bird is cat biscuits.
Cat's biscuits?
Absolutely. And I'm sure Mr. ZOU must have some in his shop.
Ah, there you go.
Thank you, Mr. ZOU.
But I don't remember you having a cat.
It's not for a cat. It's for a baby bird.
Yes, cat food has everything a little bird needs to recover.
Is that right? Well, you learn something new every day.
Goodbye, Mr. ZOU.
Goodbye.
Did you remember to dip the biscuit in warm water to soften it?
Yes, Grandpa. I did exactly as you told me. Here you go. This is good for you. No, Pork. Stop it. This is not for you. Here you go.
We're back.
Mum, Dad, look! I found a baby bird. And Grandpa, Grandma and I fed him. And we've even made a nest.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yes, he looks very happy.
Can he sleep in my bedroom? Please, please.
Well...
Please say yes.
All right, Bisou. The baby bird can stay in your room tonight.
Yeah! Awesome! There you go. You'll be perfect here. Night-night, baby bird. Good night, Pork. Pork? Huh, he must already be asleep.
Well, your baby bird seems a lot better this morning.
Do you really think so, Grandma? I took really good care of him.
I've got a surprise for you, ZOU.
Wow, you made a birdhouse, Grandpa. It's beautiful.
Now, if our little guest here wants to stay longer, he'll have his own house. So, what do you think, ZOU? Is this a good spot?
It's perfect, Grandpa. It shouldn't be too high.
There we are. A brand new house for our little guest.
What's wrong, Pock? Are you ill? Come with me. I'm going to take good care of you. Stay here. I'm going to get you something to eat and make you a nice little nest. Pork, would you like something to drink as well? Pork, but you're not really ill. Did you just pretend to be ill so I will take care of you? Oh, Pork. Grandpa! Grandpa! What's wrong with Pork? He pretended to be ill, so I would take care of him.
If you want my opinion, I think Pock's a bit jealous.
But why is he jealous? He shouldn't be.
You know, ZOU, since the baby bird arrived, you haven't spent much time with Pock. Perhaps he's afraid of not being your friend anymore.
Oh, I didn't realise, Grandpa. Look, Grandpa, the baby bird is trying to fly. But it can't.
Well, that's perfectly normal, ZOU. His mum and dad aren't there to show him how to fly.
But I can teach it. Look, this is how you're supposed to fly. Flapping your wings very hard. The problem is, I'm a zebra and zebras can't fly. Grandpa, what else can I do to help?
Well, maybe he just needs a helping hand to go faster.
You're right, Grandpa. I'm going to help it go faster. Come on, flap your wings as hard as you can. Go, fly off. Yes, look, Grandpa, he's flying. Oh, no. Pock, you saved the baby bird. Thank you. Look, Grandpa, Pock is teaching him how to fly. Wow, he's flying. Oh, thank you, Pock. You've saved the baby bird. And you even taught him how to fly. I'm sorry, Pock. I haven't spent any time with you since we found the baby bird. I didn't mean to ignore you and make you jealous. Can you forgive me? You really are the best friend in the world.
Looks like our little guest has found his parents again.
I'm going to miss the baby bird, Grandpa.
Oh, don't worry, ZOU. I'm sure he'll come back to see you.
Bye, baby bird.
Well, I don't think we need this birdhouse anymore. I'm going to take it down.
No, wait, Grandpa. Why don't we leave it for Pock? Then he'll have two houses. One inside and another in the garden.
Good idea, ZOU. I'll even paint it in black and white stripes. It'll remind him of his best friend.
I'll need to measure you for your jumper soon, ZOU.
I've got to go, Grandma. I don't want to be late for my art class.
All right, but I'll send Grandpa over when I need you.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye.
Today's Tapestry Day.
Ooh.
All you need is a frame and some coloured wool.
Then what do you do, Zoroaster?
You weave the wool in and out of the strings on the frame to make a pattern.
Ah, cool. Oh, yeah, I get it.
It can be anything you like. A tree, a cloud, or a colourful pattern.
Oh, I'm going to weave a big yellow sunflower.
Lovely idea, Elzee. What about you, ZOU?
I'd like to make a picture of the sea and the sky.
Wonderfully bold, ZOU. And you, Zach?
I don't know.
A vivid, abstract piece, perhaps?
Abstract. I like abstract.
Oh.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Oh.
If I'm not careful, my blue sea and blue sky will look like one big blue blob.
Just like my abstract.
You could pop in a line of grey wool to separate the sea from the sky.
It might not show up.
Or you could add some decorations.
Decorations? Like what, Sigmund?
Anything you like, Elzee. Something that brings creative individuality to your work.
A ribbon, a sparkly star, buttons, a badge, even your name woven in neon thread.
Mum, please could you take us to Mr. Zoe's art shop to buy some decorations?
If that's all right with Zoroaster and Sigmund.
It's okay, but don't take too long.
Oh, can I come too, Zena?
Of course, Zoo. Zag, would you like to come with us?
No, thank you. I don't need anything.
OK.
Your abstract's coming along beautifully, Zach.
Thank you.
I could use this to decorate my flower stem.
Beads. These will be perfect for my picture.
What's my Zach making?
He's doing something abstract, Mr. Zoe.
He's really enjoying himself.
An abstract? My word, that sounds clever.
That is a lovely shade of green, Elzee.
It's my sunflower stem.
Beads! Wonderful colours, ZOU.
I'm going to use them to divide the sea from the sky.
Excellent idea.
Huh? Wow! Where did those come from?
Your dad's shop. He's got loads of stuff.
I'm sorry, Zach, but we did ask you if you wanted to come with us before we left.
You said you didn't need anything.
Never mind. Can I go now?
Oh. Sorry, Zach. I really must get back to my painting before the paint dries.
Will you take me to Dad's shop?
Sorry, Zach. We need to get your tapestries finished before break time. Oh.
Why didn't I go to Dad's shop too?
Here, have some of my beads.
Thanks, Zoo. I'll weave them into my abstract.
That's very kind of you, ZOU.
Sorry to interrupt. Could I borrow ZOU for a minute, please? Grandma's knitting him a jumper. She wants to measure him. Oh, be as quick as you can, ZOU.
I will.
Stand still, Zoo.
Oh, I've got to get back, Grandma.
I just need to check it's the right length. There. That's fine. Off you go.
Bye.
You've totally transformed your abstract piece, Zach.
Are those all of ZOU's beads?
Oh,
But where are my beads? Oh!
Snack time!
Oh.
Oh, hello, ZOU. Everything all right?
Not really. I got some beads to decorate my tapestry, but Zach didn't have any, so I shared mine with him. But he used them all up.
Oh, so now you're all out of beads, eh?
Yes, and I can't ask Zach for the beads back. It'll spoil his tapestry.
Well, it was a very kind thing to do, ZOU.
Oh, being kind hasn't helped me finish my tapestry. It still looks like a big blue blob.
What sort of decorations do you need?
Zygmunt and Sorosta said we could use things that show our characters. Things that we like.
Well, there's no shortage of that stuff lying around this house. Come on. Yeah, I've seen you wearing these badges.
These are my favourites.
Right, we'll start with those. Oh, and you like this too?
Yeah, I could use my special shell. The one with the hole in the middle. Oh, and my best pebble too. Mustn't forget my lucky zebra mascot. And my cool neon wristband. These things are much more me than beads are.
Oh, that should be enough. Any more decorations and you won't see your tapestry.
Thanks, Grandpa.
You're welcome, ZOU. Have fun.
Hello.
ZOU, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to take all your beads. You can have them all back if you like, ZOU.
It's okay, Zach. You keep them. I thought of something else instead.
Wow.
These are all my favourite things. Funny badges, a smiley face, my special mascot, and my best football keyring.
It's certainly you, ZOU.
Ingenious.
And so personal.
It was Grandpa's idea.
Ah, but you're the one who put it all together.
The artist that brought the piece to life.
I finished my sunflower.
Let's take a look at all your work.
Elzee's beautiful blazing sunflower.
Oh, yes, and Zach's stunning use of beads on an abstract.
Yay!
And ZOU's unique use of decoration on his seascape.
Thank you.
Well done, all of you.
Top marks to the tapestry makers.
You said it looked like a big blue blob.
It did. Until I put my decorations between the sea and the sky.
Well, I think it's very impressive.
A colourful abstract piece that brings out the creative individuality of the artist.
What are you on about, ZOU?
That says everything about me.
Here we are. Everybody out.
I wish Elzee had come to the aquarium too. She's been really sad since she lost Gizmo. He's her favourite bear. Maybe it would have cheered her up.
Has she looked everywhere?
Yes, we even looked in our garden and to her garden. Elzee! I'll just go and see how she is, Mum.
OK, Bisou.
Hi, Elzee. Hi, Zoo. It's a shame you didn't come to the aquarium. It was really cool. I'm glad you had fun, but I wanted to look for Gizmo. If you want, I can help you look for him some more. That's all right, Zoo. I just need to check here, then I've looked everywhere I can think of. But thanks. OK, see you later. Bye.
Is everything all right, Bisou?
It's just Elzee still sad about Gizmo. I wish I could cheer her up.
It's a shame she didn't go to the aquarium. I've been hearing about what a great time you all had.
Oh, yes, Grandma. It was brilliant. The fish were amazing. So many different colours.
I never knew there were so many kinds of fish.
ZOU, how about we make an aquarium, as you enjoyed visiting that one so much?
That'll be fun, Grandpa.
We can make one with fish that don't eat and don't need water. We can make them ourselves and put them in a tank.
I know. I can make it for Elzee to cheer her up.
That's a super idea, Bisou.
To the garage, then. We have most of the things we need there.
OK, Grandpa.
The first thing we need is a tank. Here we go. This was your dad's. And somewhere in here is the box with all your dad's old things in it. Let's see, here it is. Now, what do we have in here? Whoops. Now we need some gravel for the bottom of the tank.
OK, Grandpa.
See, ZOU, you just take the bag and scatter it on the bottom of the tank, like this.
I can do that, Grandpa.
That looks very nice, ZOU.
I found these in Dad's box. They can go into the tank too.
Perfect. I knew they'd come in handy one day.
Here's a diver's helmet, Grandpa. But there's no diver with it.
Maybe you could use something else. This'll do.
It's just the right size for the diver's helmet.
It looks great. All we need now is some fish. We can make those in the kitchen. Come on.
You two have done well.
Thanks, Mum. We came in here to make some fish. But I think the tank needs seaweed too.
Here's some wrapping paper you can use.
Wow, that looks great. I have to pop out, but I'll be back later to see it finished. Bye.
OK, Dad. Bye.
I'll cut that out for you, ZOU.
It looks cool. Puck. This can be a corkfish.
Some silver foil fins would look good. They're very easy to make. Look. There you go. One fish. And if we we tie this bit of wool on here and we hang it from the top, it'll look like he's swimming in your tank.
Great! We've made Elzee's first fish.
And here's some more. You just need to decorate them.
Look, a heart fish.
Oh, that's brilliant, ZOU. See what kind of fish you can make these into. If we tie the wool to this, then your fish can swim happily.
Happily in water.
Wow, thanks. I love it. It's ready to show Elzee now. Thanks for helping me.
Why don't you give her a call? Here you go.
Hi, Elzee. It's ZOU. Can you come round? I have a surprise for you. Okay, see you soon. She's coming.
I think she's here already.
Hi, Elzee. Hi, ZOU. I'm glad you came round so quickly. Come with me. Hello.
Hello, Elzee. Sorry to hear you still haven't found your bear, Gizmo.
I know it doesn't replace Gizmo, but I made this to cheer you up. Well, with Mum and Grandpa's help. Oh, ZOU, it's lovely. Thank you. Can I make a fish too? Yes, that's a great idea. Oh, ZOU! You found Gizmo and put him in there too. What do you mean, Elzee? My bear. He's in your tank. I don't understand. The diver. That's Gizmo. But it can't be. It was in my dad's box. No, ZOU. It's Gizmo. Really.
Hello, everyone. How's it going?
Fine, but we have a mystery. It seems like Elzee's lost bear has turned up in ZOU's aquarium.
Oh, I must have picked it up off the floor when I was going through a box of your old things.
Well, I don't think it's mine.
I must have left Gizmo when we were in the garage fixing my bike. He can stay there for a little while. He makes a brilliant diver. Wouldn't it be great if we could swim with the fish, just like Gizmo? Maybe we can! What if we made my bedroom into a huge fish tank?
That's a great idea, ZOU.
All we need is a few bits of cardboard to make the fish and some balloons.
Yes, we can use the balloons left over from ZOU's birthday and those green streamers from last Christmas for seaweed.
It's going to look brilliant!
Oh,
Sorry.
Wow, look at all these fish. Let me help you.
I'm the seaweed monster! Ah! Just one last thing to do.
Wow! This is so cool! We're swimming with the fishes.
Hello, can I have your attention, please? ZOU, you did such a nice thing today making Elzee an aquarium. Your mum and I thought you'd like one of your own.
Wow! My own fish to look after. Thanks! They're great! They can sleep with me tonight. I must be the only zebra that sleeps in an aquarium.
Elzee and her mum will be here soon to take you to your art class, ZOU. I know. Sun, sea and sand, here I come.
Not without your lunch, you don't.
Thanks, Mum. See you later. and Zerosta are here too.
Hello there! We were waiting for you.
Great! 3 teachers means more help.
And I need it.
There's a prize for the best picture. Mind you, you're all winners already for being here. Now, don't forget, inspiration. So, ready, steady, go!
Hello there!
Hi, Zoe.
Hi, Zoe.
I'll paint that bit of bay over there. I'm going to paint that too. Oh, but the other side from your bit. I'm going to paint Zoe watching the sea.
Good idea, Zach. Maybe I'll paint Pock. Oh. Maybe not. He's not keeping still. I'll do the pier instead. Oh! Hey, Mr. Magpie. Thank you. Go away. You don't give up easily. I can't work with you around. Fine, I'm just gonna have to pretend you're not here. Hey, don't do that. Shoo! Shoo! I like that blue. No! Stop that! Oh, you've got sand all over my painting. And me.
So, how's it going, ZOU?
It's that magpie. He keeps taking my paintbrush and he won't leave me alone. I can't get anything done with him around.
I see.
He even kicks sand on my paintbrush. Look.
Oh dear, yes. It is in a bit of a sorry state.
But you know, ZOU, we artists use life's little hiccups to move us on.
Indeed we do, Zerosta. Keep trying, ZOU, and inspiration will light on you as the butterfly landing upon a summer leaf.
Shoo!
Looks like you made a new friend, Zoo.
Not funny. I can't work with him there.
Pock doesn't seem to mind him.
But he's not trying to paint anything. He can just sleep all day.
Well, I think it's quite a pretty magpie.
Yoo-hoo! Hi, Zelda. Good to see you.
Yes, lovely.
Oh, beautiful outfit.
Oh, thank you. You're such a poppet. I just thought I'd see how you all were and see how my little Zinnia's getting on.
I'm painting a really good picture, Mummy.
That's my Zinnia. So clever and creative.
Yes. The children are all very talented.
Oh, of course. Absolutely, Zena. Oh, that's nice, Elzee. I like how you've shown the light on the water. Very pretty.
Thank you.
Ah, wonderful, Zinnia.
Splendid use of colour. I love the vivid purple.
Yes, purple's my favourite colour. After pink, and I quite like yellow and...
She really is a proper little artist and so modest, just like her mother.
Well done, Zach. That's very good.
Oh, yes, indeed. Again, a most compelling use of colour.
Absolutely.
Oh, thank you.
The muse not with you yet, ZOU. Well, take your time. Don't rush it.
Oh.
Exactly. Inspiration can strike just like that.
Well, everyone, I think a little lunch break is in order, don't you?
Yay!
At least food will take my mind off painting.
Organic, of course.
Thank you, Mummy.
Hello, everyone!
Grandpa! Grandpa! Oh, that's my lunch!
He's over there, Zoo, on the jetty.
He's so cheeky.
Never mind, ZOU. I've brought supplies.
Thanks, Grandpa. Cheese, my favourite.
Of course. It's mine, too.
You won't get it this time. Hey, get off!
You know, ZOU, I think he just wants to play with you.
I don't. I think he just wants to annoy me.
Oh, why would he want to do that, ZOU? It looks to me as if he just wants to have fun with you.
Really?
Oh.
Well, Pox seems to like him.
Yes, he does. See? He's just trying to make friends with you.
Now he's playing peekaboo.
He wants to play.
You're right, Grandpa.
And he likes cheese, just like us.
OK, everyone. Time to get on with your pictures. Good luck.
Oh, what am I going to paint? I know. See you later, Grandpa. I've got work to do.
Cool picture, Zoo.
Yeah, it's looking really good. Quite nice, Zoo.
Yeah, yours are all great too.
Can I see your picture yet, ZOU?
Not yet, Grandpa. Wait until it's finished.
All right. I'll go and sit over there and watch the sea.
Oh, very good, Poppet. You've got the sunshine just right. Well, you are my little sunbeam after all.
Do you like my picture, Mr. Magpie? Looks like you do. You just want to play, don't you?
Aw, I see you two made friends.
Yeah, in the end.
Very nice.
Charming.
Very sweet.
Attention, please, everyone. Well, you've all done great work today, so thank you. We had to give the prize to just one picture, and the picture we chose for originality is ZOU's.
Really?
Yay! Come and get your prize and bring your picture so we can all see it.
Well done, ZOU.
Bravo, ZOU! What a great picture. Here's your prize. And well done again.
Thank you. I ought to share this with Mr. Magpie. I couldn't have done it without him.